Washington and Beijing are raising eyebrows as President Donald Trump announced on December 8th that Nvidia can now sell its powerful H200 AI processors to China, but with a hefty 25% export tax. Hello GadInsiders, welcome to your place for latest tech news. The funny thing is, according to a Reuters investigation, those chips are already hard at work in Chinese universities, research labs and data centers well before their official approval. The report reveals a booming gray market trade with Chinese buyers snapping up the H200 to power large language models, advanced AI research, and more. One Beijing professor even admitted his lab has 8 of the chips, proudly touting their cutting-edge capabilities to attract top talent. It seems China's AI arms race isn't just a rumor, it's a full-blown academic competition. How the chips made the leap from legal channels to China's gray market remains shady, but US authorities have been cracking down on tech exports for years. The new policy appears to be an if you can't beat EM, join M strategy, letting Nvidia capitalize on a market where the chips were already circulating. But it's more than just academic bragging rights. Reuters found that H200s may have even reached Chinese military facilities, raising concerns about potential defense applications. Meanwhile, China plans to prioritize domestic tech, and Nvidia's market share in the country has already taken a hit. Looks like Nvidia's H200 chips have officially become a high-stakes global chess piece, and the game is just getting started. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.